How to add someone to Facebook Messenger group chat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open the Messenger app on your device. If you don't have this app, you can get it installed from Play Store or App Store. Once you have opened it, log into your account. Now, if you want to add someone to Facebook Messenger group chat, first of all, open your group. If you do not have a group chat already, tap on this pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. From here, select Group Chat. Now, select the accounts that you want to add on your group chat. You can also give it a name. Then, tap on the Create option at the top right corner. And as you can see, your new group chat has been created. Now, if you want to add someone to Facebook Messenger group chat, the steps are very simple. The first thing you can do is, when your group chat is new, you have the option of Add, Name, and Members given here. Tap on the option of Add. A list of your friends will appear. From here, you can select any account that you want to add on your group chat. Then, tap on the Add button at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the Add option for confirmation. Another way on how you can add someone to Facebook Messenger group chat is to tap on the I option at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and tap on the option of See Members. Here you have the option of Add at the top right corner. Simply follow the same process and select someone that you want to add on Facebook. Then tap on the Add option and that person will be added to your Facebook Messenger group chat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.